welcome to our channel Matic. On today's tutorial, I'll be guiding you how you can log in or register on the GTA 5 Social Club. Simply you need to click on GTA 5 here and press enter on the keyboard. After that, here you can see gta5grand.com. Simply you can click on this link and you'll be access to this registration page of the GTA 5 Social Club. And here you need to enter your in-game first name, in-game last name, email, agree with policy and handling personal data. Here you need to enter your passport, repeat your passport again. And what you need to do is confirm that you are not a robot by clicking on this box here. And after you have entered all your credentials here, you can simply click on registration, and after that, if there is any on-screen prompts, you can go through that and you can easily register the GTA 5 Social Club account. If this video was useful for you, then hit the like button. Thank you.